Welcome to the update on Australia's extreme performance double-sided tape. Mightytack is now known as the performer in all facets of the signage and graphics market. The main feature being that it is a very versatile product, from bricks to ACM sheet to plastics to low energy surfaces like powder coat, then going back to acrylic products. This means that you can rely on the one tape for virtually all graphic and signage install requirements that you come across. The other and not least feature is its extreme performance. We have updated, and this is the main reason for updating today, is the update on the release liner between the printed header card inside the packaging and the tape itself. Its extreme performance has meant that at times the double-sided tape has got stuck to the card, but since we're all about making improvements, we have developed that further and now are delivering with a release liner. I'll show you that demonstration now. There is the release liner. Thank you for watching this update on Australia's extreme performance double-sided tape, Mightytack.